Good afternoon. It's April 29th, 2025, and today we uh, just had the best way I can describe it is just broad bull channel price action. So since the 27th, what's today? Tuesday. So since the market opened, but really since Friday, we've been in this broad bull channel. And it came after a spike. And today it did feel like we were trying to push higher, and we did. And here's a look at the daily chart. Yesterday finished a doji, so these two small bars that we have from, uh, I guess, Friday and yesterday, it kind of looks like we're going to break out, and the price action just, you can see that's a broad bull channel. You can see it here, and you can see it a little better here. So that's all I can really say about it. So let's just take a look at this 6,500 tick chart. Um, in the overnight, we just had some some craziness, kind of back and forth, but really we just had two legs down. You can see there, and we went a little bit below the 50% mark of this channel, and the buying came in. And so I think you could argue uh, right here, this higher low, you could argue for that. Definitely this failed second entry short. Take a look at that channel. Uh, Definitely take that one. Then we get a pullback, and then it rockets up to a new high. And we find resistance here, which, it's near the top of the channel. But then we bounce, we make this double bottom, really like a triple bottom here. Boom, level of support, and we bounce. And so, I mean, if you're betting, like I believe that we would close higher than yesterday. I thought we would probably do that. If you're betting that, well, you could argue for taking this one, this higher low right here, or this higher low right here. But you have to be very quick. You have to think quickly, because you can run into a lot of resistance up here, and we did. And so you really, if you're trailing each bar, because this looks like a pretty strong bull breakout, if you're trailing each bar, you only come out with a small profit here. And if you enter on this one, you pretty much don't come out with anything. So it's tough. It's tough trading this stuff. These are excellent places to get short, but none of it really worked out very well. I mean, here is a decent place to get short with room back to the EMA. Mac trades with the scalp and run method. This might be a very good place to do that, because you got enough room back to the EMA that you can scalp. But at the same time, if you keep a few contracts for runners, you could go all the way down here. And we didn't do that. We bounce, make a double bottom, bounce again, and then you get a big, well, a sell-off, a significant sell-off right here. And all that does is bounce that support right here. So if you see this level of support, boom, buy that higher low. Especially if you are like me, and I thought you thought probably that we would close higher, because what time did that occur? 10:14. Okay, not that late in the day. So really, I didn't notice this, but really it looks like we spiked up, and then for the rest of the day just went sideways. Yeah, so that's a whole 2 hours of sideways trading. So let's take a look at that on the, yeah, no, there's no way to trade that. No, this is just way too much overlap. Oh man. So really trading was done by today by 11. No, no. So that's it for today. And I guess this funky stuff I'm thinking about might be because of the weekly or the monthly chart. We're closing out the month of April. And so tomorrow we might have a super, I'm guessing tomorrow, because the bulls Oof, and this is the weekly chart. I'm guessing tomorrow will be another like small bar, but we could get a breakout. So anything can happen. I hope everyone had a good day. I'll be back tomorrow.